Welcome to webFluid Graphing. webFluid Graphing brings handwritten math to life. webFluid Graphing is based on the technology in the award-winning Fluid Math program and lets you naturally enter math expressions in handwriting and easily create and investigate graphs. Let's look at a few examples. After loading the page, get started by clicking the Edit button. Here, you can write your math expression. I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. One of the nice things about writing instead of searching for a button is that you can just write the symbol you'll already know. Below the strokes, you can see the recognition preview of what the system has recognized. Here, it's okay, but let's say I wanted to make a change, or there was a problem. I might rewrite that area of the expression by scribbling first over the strokes I want to get rid of, and then rewriting them. Next, I click Done, and I return to the graph, and I can see the expression has been plotted. I can pan the view by just clicking on the graph and dragging. On an iPad with multi-touch, I can zoom in by placing two fingers on the surface and spreading them apart, or by pinching them together. This scales the graph. Notice in the top left, the free variables m and b are shown in blue. This means they are clickable. If I click on the m, I get a slider. If I click on the b, I get a slider also. By default, sliders use discrete values. If I click on the D button, I can change them to be continuous. I'm going to clear the page by just reloading it, and let's look at a second example. I click Edit, and I write y equals the absolute value of x, and I click Done. I click the Edit button so I can add a second expression. Now I'll write y equals x minus h plus k. Clicking on h and k, I get sliders, and I can look at the effect of changing those values. I'm going to add one more expression, which is the coordinate pair h, k. Let's look at one final example. If I write y equals ax squared plus b, notice how easy it is to place the symbols in the right place. Just write them, either above if you want a superscript, or on the same line. Let's add another line to this. Y equals x plus 3. And let's say we want to find the intersection points. Click on the asterisk. You get a settings menu which includes showing intersections, zeros, and min and max. I'm going to turn them all on and come back to the graph. Now I can see these key points. Pressing and holding on the graph for a moment will begin a trace. Wherever you move the cursor, you can see a coordinate pair that shows that location. If you move close to a plot, it will snap to the plot and show the exact coordinate points. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enjoy teaching and learning with webFluid Graphing.